The wireless audio world is on the verge of a massive seismic shift. And if you thought Apple had already peaked with the AirPods Pro 2, what is currently hiding inside the lab walls of Cupertino is going to completely shatter your expectations. We are talking about an audio device that no longer just plays your favorite tracks or blocks out ambient noise, but actively monitors your health, translates languages in real time right into your ear canal, and adjusts its sound signature based on the precise geometry of your skull. For months, rumors have been swirling across the supply chain, from the factory floors in Vietnam to the high-level patent filings in Silicon Valley, pointing to a single revolutionary release that will redefine personal audio forever. Apple is secretly building the AirPods Pro 4, and the leap between the current generation and what is coming next is larger than the original jump from wired earpods to wireless audio. Every single feature you think you know about earbuds is being torn down and rebuilt from scratch to create a device that feels less like an accessory and more like a seamless extension of your body. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today we are diving deep into every single leak, every hidden patent, every insider report, and every hardware leak regarding the long-awaited AirPods Pro 4 to give you the ultimate, definitive look at what Apple is cooking up behind closed doors. To truly understand why the AirPods Pro 4 are going to dominate the market, you have to look at what Apple is doing with custom silicon. At the absolute core of this new audio marvel sits the all-new H3 headphone chip, a silicon powerhouse designed on an ultra-efficient 3-nanometer architecture that completely rewrites the rules of wireless signal processing. The current H2 chip was already a titan, executing billions of calculations per second to deliver impressive active noise cancellation and spatial audio, but the H3 chip expands at processing power exponentially. With this massive computing headroom, the AirPods Pro 4 do not merely react to external sound. They predict it. Imagine stepping onto a chaotic, deafening city street or boarding a noisy international flight, and before the harsh, low-frequency roar of the engines can even touch your eardrums, the H3 chip has analyzed the environmental audio frequencies, constructed an inverted acoustic wave, and completely neutralized the sound with zero latency. This is not just incremental noise reduction. This is acoustic isolation at a studio level, packed into a form factor light enough to forget you are wearing it. The processing efficiency of the H3 chip also allows Apple to run complex artificial intelligence models directly on the earbuds themselves, meaning your personal audio preferences, adaptive sound landscapes, and head tracking calculations happen locally on the device without draining your iPhone battery or relying on a cloud connection. The driver architecture inside the AirPods Pro 4 has undergone a ground-up redesign that audio engineers have been praying for since the line was first introduced. Apple is implementing a new ultra-low distortion custom dynamic driver, coupled with a high dynamic range amplifier that brings studio-grade monitor quality directly into your ears. In traditional true wireless earbuds, deep bass often bleeds into the mid-range frequencies, muddying vocal clarity and turning complex acoustic arrangements into a warm, indistinct sludge. With the AirPods Pro 4, Apple solves this physical limitation by using a multi-chamber acoustic architecture that separates the sub-bass airflow from the ultra-clear treble resonance. When you play a track with heavy bass lines alongside intricate acoustic guitar finger-picking, the bass remains physical, deep, and tight, without drowning out the delicate timbre of the strings or the subtle breath of the vocalist. High-resolution audio support is also taking a massive leap forward through an enhanced proprietary wireless protocol that bypasses traditional Bluetooth compression bottlenecks. For years, audiophiles have criticized wireless earbuds for sacrificing audio fidelity due to bandwidth limitations. But the AirPods Pro 4 utilize a direct high-bandwidth connection with Apple Vision Pro and modern iPhones to stream lossless audio without stutter, dropouts, or quality degradation. Noise cancellation has always been the primary battleground for premium wireless earbuds. But what Apple is preparing for the AirPods Pro 4 moves far beyond simple noise reduction into the realm of intelligent environmental awareness. dubbed Next-Gen Active Noise Cancellation. This system utilizes an expanded array of exterior beamforming microphones paired with internal acoustic sensors that sample sound thousands of times per second. Traditional active noise cancellation operates on a reactive loop, listening to noise and trying to cancel out as it happens. The AirPods Pro 4 take advantage of machine learning algorithms trained on millions of real-world acoustic environments, allowing the earbuds to recognize specific sound signatures like wind shear, heavy machinery, office chatter, or air conditioning units and apply tailored cancellation curves instantly. Furthermore, the updated adaptive audio mode seamlessly blends active noise cancellation and transparency mode based on your movement and surroundings. If you're walking down a quiet residential sidewalk, the earbuds allow subtle ambient cues to pass through so you stay aware of your environment. But the second a loud construction vehicle drives by, the sound profile dynamically adjusts within milliseconds to shield your hearing without clipping the music you are enjoying. Transparency mode on the AirPods Pro 4 is receiving what insider sources describe as a complete acoustic optical refresh. Previous generations of transparency mode sounded impressively clear, but there was still a faint digital texture to external sounds that reminded you that you were listening to a microphone feed. Apple has re-engineered the acoustic pass-through system using ultra-low latency micro-transducers that recreate ambient sounds with absolute spatial precision and zero artificial amplification. When you speak to someone with the AirPods Pro 4 in your ears, your own voice sounds totally natural, eliminating that uncomfortable occlusion effect where your head feels stuffed up or boomy. This breakthrough is achieved through real-time internal pressure relief valves that dynamically vent the ear canal, depending on whether you are listening to music or engaging in a face-to-face conversation. The result is an audio experience so seamless that you can leave the earbuds in all day long, switching between listening to high-fidelity audio and holding full conversations with people around you without ever feeling the need to take them out. One of the most mind-blowing leaks surrounding the AirPods Pro 4 centers around Apple's radical foray into embedded health tracking technology. For years, the Apple Watch has been the crown jewel of Apple's personal health ecosystem, but the inner ear cavity actually offers a far more accurate, stable, and data-rich location for biometrics than the wrist. The AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to feature miniaturized optical health sensors embedded directly into the stem and inner casing, capable of measuring heart rate, core body temperature, and continuous blood oxygen levels during workouts or daily routines. Because the ear canal sits in close proximity to major blood vessels and remains relatively stable during high-impact movement, the biometric data collected by the AirPods Pro 4 is exceptionally precise, providing athletes and fitness enthusiasts with real-time biometric metrics fed directly into the health app or broadcast through audio prompts during exercise sessions. If your heart rate spikes unexpectedly or your body temperature rises during a run, your AirPods Pro 4 can alert you verbally, suggesting rest or hydration before you even realize you're pushing yourself too hard. In addition to cardiovascular tracking, Apple is placing a massive emphasis on posture monitoring and spinal alignment through the advanced motion sensors built into the AirPods Pro 4. By leveraging tiny multi-axis gyroscopes and accelerometers inside both the left and right earbud, the system can continuously track the micro-movements of your head relative to your shoulders and spine throughout the workday. If you spend hours slouched over a desk staring at a laptop screen, the AirPods Pro 4 can detect the forward head tilt and gently notify you with a subtle spatial chime or a subtle audio prompt in your ear, encouraging you to correct your posture before chronic neck tension develops. This seamless fusion of ambient audio and preventive health tech showcase Apple's broader vision of transforming the AirPods Pro 4 from a simple entertainment device into an indispensable health companion that protects your physical well-being every minute you wear them. Hearing health is another area where the AirPods Pro 4 will establish a completely new industry standard, building upon the foundational hearing aid capabilities seen in previous software updates. The AirPods Pro 4 will include a comprehensive clinical-grade audiogram assessment tool that you can conduct directly from your iPhone in a quiet room. By playing a series of precise frequencies at varying volume thresholds, the system builds an intricate frequency response profile tailored specifically to your unique hearing ability. If you have subtle, age-related high-frequency hearing loss or difficulty hearing speech frequencies in loud environments, the AirPods Pro 4 automatically adjusts all incoming audio, media, phone calls, and live conversations to compensate for those specific gaps. This turns the AirPods Pro 4 into a discreet, highly capable hearing augmentation device that looks like a sleek piece of modern consumer tech rather than a medical aid, breaking down social stigmas while drastically improving the quality of life for millions of users worldwide. The design and ergonomics of the AirPods Pro 4 are undergoing a refined evolution aimed at perfecting the balance between structural security and long-term wearing comfort. Apple has reportedly analyzed thousands of 3D ear scans from diverse global populations to optimize the external contour of the earbud housing. The result is a slightly more sculpted, aerodynamic shape that sits deeper and more naturally within the conchus of the ear without creating pressure points on sensitive cartilage. The iconic stem design is rumored to be noticeably shorter and thinner, incorporating a refined force-sensor strip with touch-capacitive swipe controls that offer tactile feedback when adjusting volume, skipping tracks, or toggling between noise control modes. To ensure a customized fit for every user, Apple is introducing a new range of multi-density silicone and memory foam hybrid ear tips with the AirPods Pro 4. These hybrid tips feature a soft silicone exterior for comfort and easy cleaning, combined with a malleable internal foam matrix that conforms to the unique contours of your ear canal, creating an acoustic seal that maximizes bass response and passive noise isolation. The physical charging case accompanying the AirPods Pro 4 is receiving a complete technological facelift of its own, transforming from a simple storage box into an active, intelligent media hub. The case will be crafted from lightweight, high-durability materials with enhanced IP57 dust and water resistance, ensuring it can survive accidental drops, intense workouts, and outdoor adventures in rain or snow. Apple is integrating an upgraded ultra-wideband U2 chip directly into the case, bringing precise, directional precision finding capabilities through the Find My app. If you misplace your case in a cluttered living room or leave it behind at a coffee shop, your iPhone display will show exact distance and directional arrows pointing straight to its location, down to the inch. The case will also feature a built-in acoustic speaker mesh on the bottom that produces loud, distinct audio alerts when pinged, along with custom tones to indicate charging status, low battery warnings, or successful pairing events. Battery life has consistently been one of the biggest talking points among true wireless earbud users, and the AirPods Pro 4 are set to deliver a major endurance upgrade that eliminates range anxiety once and for all. Thanks to the unprecedented power efficiency of the H3 chip and high-density microbattery cells engineered specifically for compact enclosures, the AirPods Pro 4 are expected to offer up to 8 hours of continuous playback with active noise cancellation enabled on a single charge. When paired with the extended capacity of the redesigned charging case, users can expect up to 36 total hours of listening time before needing to plug into a wall outlet or wireless charging pad. Furthermore, fast charging capabilities have been accelerated dramatically. Placing dead AirPods Pro 4 inside the charging case for just 5 minutes will yield over an hour and a half of continuous listening time, making them ready to go even when you are rushing out the door on short notice. Wireless charging versatility for the AirPods Pro 4 case is reaching peak convenience with expanded cross-platform support. In addition to standard MagSafe and Qi-certified wireless charging pads, the new case will magnetically snap onto Apple Watch puck chargers, eliminating the need to travel with multiple dedicated charging cables. On the wired connectivity side, Apple is fully cementing its transition to universal standards by equipping the AirPods Pro 4 case with a high-durability USB-C port that supports ultra-fast power delivery and high-bandwidth wired audio transmission. This wired audio capability allows power users and field producers to connect the case directly to legacy audio outputs on airplanes, professional mixing gear, or non-Bluetooth gaming consoles using a simple USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, broadcasting high-fidelity, low-latency audio wirelessly from the case straight into your AirPods Pro 4 without needing bulky external transmitters. Spatial audio is getting a massive structural update on the AirPods Pro 4, shifting from simulated surround sound to fully dynamic, object-based acoustic rendering that adapts to your physical environment. Utilizing advanced spatial mapping algorithms powered by the H3 chip, the AirPods Pro 4 map the physical dimensions of the room you're currently standing in, calculating how sound waves reflect off walls, ceilings, and furniture. When you play a movie, a live concert recording, or a spatial audio track from Apple Music, the soundstage expands far beyond the physical boundaries of your head, creating the convincing illusion that you are sitting in the middle of an IMAX theater or a live stadium concert. Head tracking accuracy has been refined with sub-millimeter precision, meaning that as you turn your head to look around, instrument placements and voice positions stay anchored in three-dimensional space with absolute realism and zero audio lag or spatial drift. Integration with Apple Vision Pro and Apple's broader spatial computing ecosystem is a central cornerstone of the AirPods Pro 4 architecture. When connected to a spatial headset, the AirPods Pro 4 deliver ultra-low latency audio protocols that match the refresh rate of the visual displays down to the microsecond. When you interact with virtual windows, 3D spatial objects, or immersive environments in Vision OS, the corresponding directional audio cues originate from the precise spatial coordinate where the virtual object is rendered in your physical room. If a virtual screen is hovering 5 feet to your left, sound effects emanate naturally from that exact spot, shifting smoothly as you move around your room. This flawless sync between high-resolution visuals and directional audio creates a level of presence and spatial immersion that traditional headphones simply cannot match, establishing the AirPods Pro 4 as the ultimate audio companion for spatial computing. Microphone quality and voice call performance on the AirPods Pro 4 are receiving a massive, long-overdue overhaul designed to eliminate environmental voice interference entirely. Voice pickup on small wireless earbuds has historically suffered in windy conditions, loud traffic, or noisy cafes due to the distance between the earbud microphones and the user's mouth. The AirPods Pro 4 solved this fundamental issue through an advanced fusion of external beam-forming microphones, internal bone conduction accelerometers, and deep learning voice isolation algorithms. The bone conduction sensor detects the physical vibrations of your jawbone when you speak, instantly isolating your voice pattern from surrounding air noise. Even if you're standing in a howling gale or inside a crowded restaurant, the person on the other end of your phone call or FaceTime connection hears only your clear, crisp voice, completely devoid of background noise, wind buffer, or harsh room reflections.